What's up, adventurers? It's ADV Ryan, and we are back in the garage with the AJP PR7. So today we are going to be doing what is the equivalency of the Googletech fuel sock over the fuel filter inside the tank. It is prone to picking up trash, things like that, just from the system not sealing, I guess, fully or correctly at times, and allowing contamination into the fuel tank. So that is one way to bulletproof it, and that is what we're going to do today, and I'm going to show you how to do that on your AJP PR7. Stay tuned. Down here you will see the fuel pump. It is situated right in here. I'm going to disconnect the electronic to the fuel pump here. Rag prep. Okay, there we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Undo the ECU connector, turn, and pull. There we go. Okay, so I just gotta remember how that goes in there. Alrighty. And there she is. Alright, so we've got our fuel pump here, and we've got our Pure Motors fuel sock here for this area of the fuel filter that seems to be prone to picking up trash. It already has a small sock on there, so I don't know, maybe that sock's not trustworthy enough, but we're going to err on the side of caution. And there's a lot of people that have been riding this bike a lot longer than I have and know a lot more about it than I do. So, taking their word for it, and we're going to bulletproof it even further. Just like that. That should suffice. Just fold it like that. Zip it up. Voila. So next is going to be this obvious inline filter. These clamps aren't just not trail accessible. And then I'm going to replace this line in here as well. I am back here with my updated parts. So this has been replaced by this. And this old hose, which I will pull up a picture, was cracked. Same as this one as well. But I took the fitting out of this original, out of this end, and put it in the new hose here, and also put on my manual clamps. All right, adventurers. So that was our fuel sock installation and filter line replacement process. Just figured, while you're in there, might be good to go ahead and inspect those lines, get those replaced. Just go ahead and freshen everything up. A new filter, maybe a more high quality fuel filter. But yeah, just wanted to say thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. If you have any questions at all, reach out in the comment section. I'll be happy to help you explain anything, where I got parts, things like that. So as always, Thank you again for watching, and enjoy the ride.